Hey guys, what's up? It's Ryan, in case you didn't figure that out. Yeah, today we're going to try these out. They're actually not that bad. They don't look like Marlboros, but they taste like them. And, they're like $3 something a pack. I was going to get Viceroys, but Viceroys can figure it off. But, oh god. Oh, fucking back hurts like something else. It's freaking cold out here, so I got that going. But, yeah. Yeah. But yeah, I freaking like them. I freaking improved this. I put a freaking, styrofoam cup on the inside to make it insulated, so it won't sweat. I picked those up today at the second-hand store. But yeah, like I freaking cleaned out the eaves troughs for my grandma and stuff today, and yeah, so I made a little bit of money for Christmas. But yeah, just do a random vlog. Truck's running good. Got some gas today and stuff. But friggin' yeah, I friggin' like pyramids. They're not that bad. I thought they'd be friggin' horrible because they're so cheap and like, yeah. But a lot of times, like, you'll find the cheapest cigarettes and like the crappiest pack are the best. They're made by Legit Corporation, and they make decent stuff. So forget what else I've tried. I think they actually make Viceroys, believe it or not. Stopped by the dollar store and got like 4 of these for $1. They're good. I just like freaking dip though. But yeah, so friggin' rights, my pyramids, my new ones, friggin' rights. But yeah, and stuff. It is cold out here. It hasn't been cold for the past couple nights, but like, just like Bam said, friggin' this time of year sucks, cause yep, you don't know what you're gonna get. You don't know if it's gonna be hot or cold out, and different things. And yeah, but yep, and that's really how it was today, 'cause it's nice out. When I woke up, it was like friggin' 15, around 65 out, and then I friggin' go down to my grandma's, and just like all the friggin' sudden it gets down to about 55. Right now it's about 42, and yeah, it's just kind of cold. But friggin' yeah, I like the pyramids. They're actually pretty good. So yeah. Oh, what else is new? Frig, man. Shit, what else is new? But yeah. Figure. But yeah, I really like these cigarettes. They're, if you want to take a look at them, pyramids. I didn't get 100s. Forgot to ask for them. But yeah, I've already had a couple. You can read that. I don't have macro, but Legit, North Carolina. So friggin' rights. But yeah, I like them, partially because they're cheap, so you can't beat that. It's getting that time of year again. I'm on Christmas break now, so I'm gonna start doing some friggin' shed videos. So friggin' rights. But one thing, they friggin' burn fast, which I don't like. But beggars cannot be choosers, now can they? So they may be cheap, but you're probably gonna smoke a lot of them. But hey, if they like Marlboros, can you complain? Can you complain? No, you cannot. No, you cannot. So, yep, friggin' lights are out. Shit. Friggin', yeah. That's pretty chooching. But, got friggin' lights over there and shit. Fancy stuff. Fancy stuff. But, I'm at my dad's house tonight. And friggin', I figure I'll run upstairs and show you my new computer. For Cody and stuff. And different things. And different things. But, yep. Damn it. There we go. Friggin'. But yeah. Been friggin' chooching today, that's for sure. That's for sure. Frig, come on. Don't be getting creative suction. Damn it. Come on. But yeah, friggin' had spaghetti and meatball. Or actually, I didn't have spaghetti. I had pasta and meatballs because I didn't want to eat my dad's spaghetti, even though he made meatballs for us and different things. Get some more tea and different things. Yep. So. There we go. But yeah, freaking having a good time. It's the police.
Yeah, well, I'm screwed anyway.
Yep. We're here to repossess your car, buddy.
What car?
You can
I
keep
have
it.
no work.
You can keep it. But yeah, here's my new computer. My computer, my new one. Friggin' rights. There's the TV we did the unboxing on, right? Yep. There it is. So, friggin' rights. Go shoot yourself. Yeah. Hey y'all. We're just up in the friggin' room over right now. Here's something cool. I didn't know that these computers could. Yeah, I got two, by the way. Exactly the same friggin' computer. Alright, watch the cursor if you can see it. Alright. I don't know if you can see it or not. But I can do dual screen with this computer, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. Friggin' got my secondhand coffee stuff and whatnot. Friggin'. Can you hear the empty spaces? But yeah, that stuff's pretty good actually. What I do is I take my little plastic reusable coffee strainer, and here, let me open this up for you. This isn't a coffee brew pot, but that actually stayed pretty warm. I'm surprised. But friggin', take it. Just drop it right down inside there, and yeah, boil it. Makes really good coffee. Better than the Shed Morton's machine. It didn't have a friggin' handle on it when I got it. So to make it so it still had a detachable handle so it wouldn't get really hot, took a piece of metal, shoved it down through that little mount, and did it right there. Took the other half of the piece of metal I used, it's just a hanger off of a light fixture or something, and just kind of do that. If you hold it like that, you got a freaking good handle. Really sturdy. Right. There, like, see, it does everything you want. Then once you're done, you can take it off. I'll probably make some wood and cut up a slot up in it, so I can friggin' have like a real handle and just like friggin' grab it and actually have like, yeah. But I like the end of this because I can take the end of it and use it as a key. Friggin' pop the lid off because the lid on this is kind of hard to get off, which I guess is good enough fire if you're going to use this in a fire pit or something, camping. But friggin', that's one thing I like about aluminum. We'll get beaten and battered up all day long. Bend it right the frig back. Good. Shed Morton's. But yep, so there's that. Y'all take her easy. Well, hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pissed Off Bullshit Ramblings. Hot damn.
Well, for tonight's first order of bullshit, my coffee's cold. Yeah.
Friggin' nice it does.
Yeah. That's bullshit.
Second order, yes. Yep, that's accurate.
Hey guys, freaking Ryan here. Yeah, we're just going out with my mom's again. Holy hell, I'm putting on the miles to this week. I'll tell you that much right now. Right friggin' now. But like friggin', yeah. What the hell's this shit? Someone's burning the oil. God damn. But like, yeah, friggin'. It's like a big old cheech. Big old dirty cheech going around. Holy hell. But yeah. Freaking nice it does. But yeah. Friggin' nice. And different things. We might stop by dirty old Sheldon's house and see what's up. I heard he's in the hospital, so that's not good. But yeah, I figure we'll get a cheech going. On the exactas. Friggin' right I do. Where the hell's that lighter? What the fuck? Well, friggin'. Yeah, that's my friggin' some bitch. Oh crap. But yeah, friggin' got the computer. Different things. What's this guy doing? Alright, see the speed limit? Alright, 35 is what we're going. Speed limit is 45. Come on, bud. Come on. Put her in the cabin or some shit. Oh, now you want to stop, don't you? Freaking son of a bitch. Freaking dumb bitch. And antlers. But yeah, friggin'. Making you dizzy. Sheldon's house. Frig, we won't stop because he's been sick and stuff, so. Oh, frig, bud, there's a cul-de-sac. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Friggin' rights. Oh, frig, there's mud plains. There's mud plains. Don't tell me that, buddy. Don't tell me that. There's the friggin' computer. Friggin' rights. Friggin' rights. Nice friggin' home, buddy. It's friggin' home. I guess we'll let him stop. But yeah. But yeah. Friggin', let's go and stop at the girlfriend's house. Stopping at the girlfriend's house. But that kind of blew over friggin' rights a bit. But yeah, just a little driving vlog, I guess. It's really nice having a friggin' hold to a camera. Too lazy to make a friggin' tripod. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Friggin' rincy guys. Classy fella, classy fella. Oh, shit. I love driving a big ass vehicle. Big ass vehicles. Gotta love it. I know I do. I wouldn't drive anything else, buddy. I wish I had the old lady's rig, but the old lady don't got a rig. Freaking right, she does. But yeah. Figure we'll take a little detour. Take a little Wednesday detour, or Tuesday, or whatever the fuck day it is. Taking a detour. Once we get home, I'll show you what I'm doing. Make an ass load of videos. Good thing they don't have a friggin' media cap. Yeah. Shoots me. Going fast. Yeah. Yeah. Shoot it. Different things. But yeah, we're just friggin' driving. Just friggin' driving. And different things, and different things. This is the friggin' long way to get places. Friggin' long way to get places. Someone told me to quit driving like I'm showing off. I'm just like, what do I have to show off? I mean, come on. Come on. Ugh, frig. But yeah. Friggin' piss me off. They say you can count the rings on my lungs and figure out how many years I've been cheeching. Haha. That's friggin' nice, right? Yeah. But, and friggin', yeah. Wee. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. But we're just driving. Just driving. Just driving. Ah, crap. No. You're rolling the antler into you, bro. I hope you enjoy my truck's awesomeness. I know I do. Oh, frick, got a headlight out. It's a winker. It's a winker wanker. Friggin' right, it does. I gotta go fast up this hill or else I won't make it up. That's how much awesomeness my truck has. friggin' warm out today. It's not even funny how warm it is. Oh, gosh. And there we are. We're home. Friggin' rights we do. Friggin' rights we do. So let's go see what we got to do today. A nice friggin' load of scrap metal. Too bad I'm not old enough to take it. That's nice. Frig. That's right, I put it over there. Frig. But yeah, friggin' got plenty of shit to do today, that's for sure. Gotta clean out all the gutters on the house. That should be friggin' fun. I've got other stuff to do on the shed. First off, we're going to test out my water heater. Friggin' rights I do. But yep, I'll make sure none of my pipe work's busted. Hey guys, it's just a little video on my water heater that I got in my shed. Right up there is my redneck shower head. You can see that. But friggin' yeah. Well, oh, there's a leak. Oh, son of a bitch. But yeah, you can see all my redneck frig stuff, like my redneck lighting system and cords to more lighting systems and cords to more lighting systems and stuff. Oh, darn, there's a leak. Friggin' rights it does. But yeah. So I friggin' figure we'll turn on the friggin' water and we'll see how she cheeches. So, yeah. Let's get this turned on right quick. Partially buried, anyways. Comes back out the ground over there. Figure if I leave it there for a couple more years, it'll friggin', yeah, do it all by its friggin' self. Yeah. Need to friggin' fix that today, because that leaks like a whore. Friggin'. Yeah. Friggin' up here barefoot. Really smart. Really smart. I wonder if I turned off my propane last time I was up here. Nope. Nope. Hope it did not leak out. Nope, still got some. Friggin' redneck cover, since that stuff's not supposed to be outside, which I find hilarious, seeing as they say only keep them outside. That goes right inside my heater, my redneck system. Let's see how friggin' horrible it looks in here. Not too bad, actually. It's been worse. At least you can see the floor. I do need to clean up in here though. So we'll leave that run right quick to get all the air out. We'll leave it on half hot, half cold while I plug in my freaking water heater. So freaking, how's that draining? Alright, over there. Alright, so friggin', now my water heater slash outdoor water shit's turned on. Right there. turn that off because I don't need my garden hose on. Frig. Why the hell would I need that on? But yeah. Friggin' see what chooches. Bleeding out some of the air. Make sure it's not friggin' leaking. Doesn't seem to be. Let's try putting some pressure on it. Huh, no leaks. Make sure the T&P valve works. Seems to. Seems to. You always want to make sure that's working. Redneck system on that, but hey, you gotta have it, because trust me, if you don't, you'll be dickered. So, there, now the water heater's on. I have it set on 110 or 120, I can't remember what I have the temperature set on. It's 120 volts, 60 hertz. Yeah, single phase, obviously, because we're in a shed. Test out this shit. I fixed these valves too. Oh, hey there. Holy fuck. Yeah. My redneck shower head. It actually works pretty good. But yeah, it drains the water too fast. And yeah, I might make another one. Because like I said, that one just drains the water out too fast. And I've got plenty of shit to do it with. You know what I was actually thinking of doing? And it's probably really stupid. But just friggin' taking one of these and like taking the friggin' orifice out of it, and since it'll just drip down inside like that, just having it friggin', or just leave the orifice in there and see how it does. But I might actually just try that right quick. Find a friggin' screwdriver to get these screws out with. And but yeah, there's the test out of the water heater. We'll let that sit there and shit. I'm taking out my furnace that I put in my little fireplace because that's just dickered. And yeah, friggin' rights we did, and we'll see how she does. So over and out, y'all. Hope I don't blow up. Shannon likes men. Oh yeah. Do the Numa Numa. Keep around cabbage, buddy. Keep around cabbage. Well, yeah, this is the vlog for today. Great way to start it. Great way to start it. But yeah, as you see, I'm on the dip. On the dip. So yeah, friggin' hard to do. Guess whenever you start to dip, it makes your voice go higher. Oh wow, with goats and shit. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for goats and shit. Friggin' rights you do. It's friggin' rights you do. But yeah, I gotta go. Kind of driving here. Y'all take it easy. Alright, y'all aren't gonna believe this, but there's, holy fuck, they just ran away. God damn it. They're just fucking in here. Hold on. Fuck, man, I must have scared them off. There they are, fuck them. Look at this shit. Friggin' goats all over the fucking place. Frig it, man. Yeah, buddy, you want to come back in here? God damn. Get your ass in there. Yeah, you better run. Yeah, that's what I thought. Damn it, y'all just don't want to get the fuck in there. Well, damn, that's fun. Oh, shit. I don't think I'll be getting out for a while. Damn. That was intense. But like, you can see their tracks and shit. They're just coming up here to graze this green grass, I guess. But fuck. Shit, someone's been doing donuts up here. But yeah, they were right up by the shed the other day. Look right up there. There's the shed. Oh, holy crap. But yeah, man. Darn, bro. Watch them all come right back and frig out. That's wet as all hell. That don't fly too good at all. There. Alright, we're back. Y'all take it easy. Alright, y'all. Just a little cooking with the redneck right quick. Friggin' right, it's my new TV. My new one. Just bought that today. LED TV. Watching a little bit of friggin' vlogging life. Because I'm bored. It's almost more like ass. But yeah, just cooking with the redneck. I just plopped in my freeze-dried onion. Let that boil up. This is my secret concoction, I guess. Frig, I need a stand. There we go. Nope, no we don't. No we don't. Beg my pardon. Hey y'all, very cool discovery, actually. Yeah, Black Box Productions. Very cool.
Papa should give me a soda. No, get your own. You guys.
And you wouldn't think, but friggin', like, yeah. And I'll explain. I know someone, and she helped produce this. And it's actually pretty cool. They used, I think, Final Cut to do this, and it's very cool. It's called Use Your Imagination. It's like NXNW. Use Your Imagination NXNW. Look it up on YouTube. It's really friggin' cool. Like, yeah, I love it. I think it's funny. Cause like, here comes the good part. Hate to friggin' be a spoiler, but yeah, like you get, and they like produced all the music and crap in it. Like, it's really cool. Y'all ought to check it out. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. I just took a shower, so pardon me. But I went night before last. I found this. It's really freaking cool. I hope I can get this up on YouTube. But yeah, y'all take her easy and keep on chooching. Yeah, buddy. Alright, hey guys. It's me, Redneck Shed. Holy hell, I need to do dishes. Yeah, that was going to be my dinner, but as you see, I took a shower while I was cooking, and I came back in, and I forgot about it. I'm friggin' right, so I just made a quick run, and we're going to have ourselves a cheeseburger picnic. Yeah, so that's waiting for me. So, some other crap I got for my friggin' Christmas. I got some new polarized sunglasses. That's good. This is really friggin' cool. Check this is frig out. Look at that. That's friggin' chooching. And then, yeah, that's what's up. Freaking love that. Got socks. I'm serious. I actually appreciate that gift because you can never have enough socks. Friggin' clementines. Freaking deodorant. can always use that, actually. I'm not too pissed about that. Friggin' Greek olives. I love Greek olives. Holy fuck. I have to find a place for them right next to the dip. Right next to the dip. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I got some more deodorant in here somewhere. But this is what's really friggin' cool, because this is how much my family knows me. And they went and friggin' bought me welding wire and grinding wheels and more welding wire. It's Harbor Freight, but I mean, hell, it's freaking welding wire. Texas friggin' Pete. Texas friggin' Pete. So I've got plenty of that. So then I've got two other kinds of deodorant. This is all Avon brand. And believe it or not, Avon makes pretty good stuff. I hate to admit it, but I actually like their products. This is actually what I'm currently using. I like that the best. Musk Marine. I like the way that smells. Then friggin' polishing brushes. Friggin' right. It's like, thanks guys. Thanks. Then mini LED flashlight. Just like that one, but I've got it in the truck. So I need that. Then friggin' dried cranberries. I like those. I always have. Shove those right up there. So actually, when I think about it, I probably didn't need to go on a nom nom run. I did anyway. We'll throw those in that bowl in a second. And yeah, you know what friggin' chooches my antler? I've been trying to get this stupid ass thing to work like all friggin' night long, and that antler just won't cheech. See if my water's friggin' hot yet. You think it ought to be, right? Is it? Is it? Is it? The fuck? Ah, I know. Forgot to turn on my hot water heater. That's why my shower was cold. That little friggin' button right the fuck there. Now it all makes sense. And then friggin' I hauled away some TVs for my neighbor. He gave me that. Friggin' rights. So I figure I'm still in my coat, as you can see. I figure we'll get that chooching. And yeah, y'all keep it real. Have a Besides that, just in friggin' time, it's friggin' raining. So like I was friggin' on the friggin' time. Like if you look out there and different things, probably can't because you're a goof. But yeah, friggin' look at that shit. That's what you call night shot. Look at that. That's just like a friggin' hole in the middle of friggin' nowhere right out there. But yeah, as you can see, it's friggin' raining already. Frig. My beautiful roof. But yeah, frig. Enough to keep the door open. I'm warm, so I don't care. Over and out, y'all. Bye.
Hey guys, so I guess I'm going to end the vlog here. If you like today's vlog, go ahead and hit the like button. If you really like today's vlog, go ahead and hit the favorite button. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Right down there, yeah. And until next time, guys, keep on